To calculate the area of a circle, for example, if we have this circle with a radius of 7 cm, so we have to identify first what is the area formula of a circle. So area is equal to phi r square, where the value of phi is equal to 3.14. So let's just take 3.14, while r stands for radius, and the value of r in our given example is 7. So r is equal to 7 cm. And then by substituting the formula, so area is equal to phi r square. So pi, let's substitute it by 3.14 multiplied by r is 7, so 7 square. So 3.14 times 7 square is 49. That means 7 times 7. And then when we multiply 3.14 times 49, the area of that given circle is equal to 153.86 cm square. So of course the unit is square because we are looking for area. That's all. Bye.